All right, so the derivative. Like I said, we're going to spend the entire rest of the semester on this. Okay? This chapter is all about calculating derivatives. So start off with the definition that you saw last year. It's the long algebra mess. Okay, and then we go into some other ways to calculate it as well. The definition is important because you're going to earn 2 to 3 points on the AP exam with it. They're easy points. Okay. So to start out, I'll give you a function some kind. They're all gone. Yes, ma'am. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, thanks. Bye. Yeah, we're gonna get interrupted here in a minute. No, somebody's gonna come cover. So I'll give you some limits, problems, and you got everything played out.
You don't know when the
Okay, that is called the secant line, correct?
Yeah.
You can calculate the slope of it, right?
Yeah.
So the slope is f of b minus f of a over b minus a, right? That's the formula we've been using.
Yeah.
You've been doing that for years. Okay. The new thing for calc is the tangent line. You know what that is? The tangent line. This is basically what we're spending a semester on. Okay. Everything having to do with tangent lines. Yes. Well, in chapter 4, we'll study the applications of derivatives. Okay. Of course. Of course. So the slope of that line. Okay. Previously, you would estimate it with a really small interval, right? Today we're going to do the actual math. Start the actual math and give you the slope. I'm going to call that C. It's denoted F prime and C. So if you calculate that value, that's the slope. Okay. We're going to get interrupted, so. 3, 2,
So wait, F prime and C, so the slope is just whatever that C is?
the slope is whatever the derivative at C is.
Oh. So we have to figure out what the derivative
So, remember, this is average rate of change. The secant line is average rate of change. And the tangent line is instantaneous. That's how it is. So you can compare that kind of to your average speed going to Denver, driving. Yes, 90 miles an hour. Did I have to? Yep. So average speed versus when does the cop clock you at 105? Canyon. Okay, instantaneous versus average rate of change. Please let me do that.
I feel like you would roll your car.
Oh, no.
I have a roommate in college that went through that canyon at 95. Every single time he went through it.
Did you ever ride?
I don't have Joe cheese.
I don't know.
I don't eat.
Well, I go to the nuts. We get 100 from Delta.
That's how vegetarian.
I go to the nuts. So you have the secret line versus the tangent line. Okay?
Wait, what's called?
Rate change.
Is Robert making with it?
No.
I'm glad I gave you her line. Yeah, I know that.
Wait, Arthur, here's a video.
Okay, yeah. Okay, so there's a little graph that I got on the last screen. I put it as A because your book calls that X value A.
Okay.
So the slope of this line, okay, is also known as the derivative. It is F prime of A. Here's the definition. Okay. It's based on limits. That's why we do limits first. Calculus, everything calculus is based on limits. Okay. There are two definitions. We're only doing one today. Tell me if this looks familiar. The limit is h approaches 0. F of A plus h minus F of A. We talked about that in the last year. And the algebra index. H. Right. H is always going to put 0. Basically what we're saying here is there is some interval H. Okay, see how wide it is? We're pushing that to 0. So there's no width, so we get that exact spot. Okay, so as H approaches 0, that means this is getting skinnier and skinnier and skinnier and skinnier. And then hits 0, that's when we have a tangent line to get one spot. No, because A plus A would be 2A. We want this to be F of A. We want it to be at A. Right? So we want this to be close. So basically, if you plug 0 in, you get 0 over 0 equals 4. But we have some ways to overcome that. That H will oftentimes cancel. So that's a yes.
If you are in math club, please come to the gym for pictures.
Got it. I'm going to put some limits problems on the board for you to do while I'm gone, okay? Your math club. No. Well, whatever.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, I noticed. Okay, we already did those. Okay, there you go. Practice problems.
This will be in the video if you watch it later, so just be aware of that.
I know, we don't know.
Yes,
No, that's minus. Oh my gosh, it is a negative. I went up to the screen and it is a negative.
definitely negative.
Yeah, it's a negative. As it approaches from the left. Number 3.
Honestly, looks like a positive. It has like a big
No one, oh wow.
It was a positive. Oh, good luck.
One more. I don't like this one. It goes over there.
It's a positive.
You guys, it's a positive. Even on the computer screen. Yeah, come look. We have to turn it on. I do seriously, I can see both. So 5 is a negative. It's it says x to -1. And then is there another one you guys didn't see very well? Is that the only ones you had to do? Yeah. So just leave it like that? No, okay. It was really grainy and weird. Now, the first one is plus sign.
So it's the first one on the right. So you're only going to be focusing on.
like, okay, and then you literally get on there and say, and I'm like, you'll be fine.
Yeah, you get off, you're like,
Has 80 miles an hour.
I love to use that. As long as you're not going like 150. Like, if you're right,
I mean, it's
I do that, but hey, you ain't going 150. You can go like, my slave driver. He's like, we're gonna get this over here. That -1 is where we have the corner. Okay, we do it on the right one, so X plus 1, or X plus 1. You get 1. You cancel out. Here, this should be 6 tenths. No, 3 tenths. 3 tenths, whatever. Highest powers, they cancel. Okay. Alright. Let's keep on the derivative definition. We got about 5, so.
I'm going to give you an example, and then we'll be good for the day. We'll have got it all in.
So. I told you, it's not much. Alright. Calculate f prime of 3 for f of x equals, we'll go easy on these, mx squared.
So you just plug it into my.
Oh, into the definition. So f prime of 3.
What's the best for f equals x plus 1?
The limit is h approaches 0. Pay attention to this, please. And what's f of a plus h? Putting a plus h in, right? And f of a? We're just evaluating functions. A plus h goes into the x, and the a goes into the x. F of a is 48. That's a nice square, not a square. A square.
Because it's saying.
F of a plus h is a plus h.
And then you put it.
Not yet.
Oh.
Well, you can. You'll put it an hour later.
If you are knowledgeable, please report to the gym for your picture at this time.
Yeah, like every good class. Probably, it's a little easier sometimes in your book. It's great. You can plug it in. It doesn't matter. You can work it out either way. If you guys want to plug it in, that's fine. It makes it a little easier. So, 3 plus h squared, you got a FOIL. Right? 9 plus 6h plus h squared. 9. Yay, the 9's cancel. That's good for us. Yeah, very good. You got it. You're on the way. Remember when you're doing these, be very organized. They get messy. So the 9's cancel. Now we can factor h out, right? And h is cancel. And then you plug h in 0, right? 0 is h. So, yeah. Right. Because it's in a denominator, you're gonna get an answer.
It's just 8 capital 6. I mean, it's just 6.
Okay, so at 3, there's a tangent line. Slope of that line is 6. How do you write it? That's what you just calculated. Okay? That's the derivative. The derivative is calculating the slope of the tangent line. What's the equation of that line? Okay, flip this point, 3, 9, right? 3 squared is 9.
Oh.
1 minus 9 equals 6 times x minus 3. Okay. What slope do you remember?
Yeah. I just didn't.
5x. Right? So that is one of the definitions of derivative using a limit. Obviously, the algebra gets heavier. I'll show you some heavier algebra tomorrow. We just don't have time today. Okay. That's the basic idea of what we're doing the whole semester. We're going to do that, and we're going to do everything surrounding it. Increasing, decreasing, maximum, minimum, concave up, concave down. We're doing all of it. Yeah, concave. Did you write your homework down?
SBA numbers. Report to the gym at this time for your pictures. SBA numbers report to the gym.
If you start it says find the derivative 2 ways. Just do the one for now. Tomorrow I'll show you the second definition. Okay? This will not be due until Tuesday. Yeah.
3.1 is right on the classroom.
3.1.
Tyson Corey, Caitlin Thomas, Alan Dumpy, Aurora Mayfield, Jamie Kansas, Araya Alexander, Anthony Cleveland, Alexis Bocher, Christian Vicencio, John Carlos Valle, Alex Ramirez, and Oscar Clayton.
I'll hit this again tomorrow. Just leave your checks on your desk. I'll print them up.
John Amaya, and Ariana Preble, and Diana Antiona Coleman.
Just leave them there.